Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Provencal potatoes. I really love potatoes and this roasted new potato recipe is absolutely fantastic. It's really easy to do. If I can do it, you can do it. Let's get started. So first what we want to do is we want to preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So I have 1 pound of new potatoes. This was just a potato medley. It had purple potatoes in it, yellow potatoes, and red potatoes. It came in a package, a 1 pound package, perfect for what I want to do. Really awesome. And it comes pre-washed and you don't need to peel the little potatoes. So there we go. And then next what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my boiler onions. So these are just little tiny onions. And they're little tiny whole onions. They call them boiler onions. So I'm going to take these. If you can't find these or if you don't want to buy these, you can just take a normal onion and cut it up into small pieces. And then I'm going to put it in there with my potatoes. Perfect. And now I have some cherry tomatoes. I'm really excited. These came from my garden, so I'm excited to use these. And this is about a cup. Down below I'll put the ingredients for these and the amounts, but the measurements are up to you. If you want to have less or more of any of these ingredients, just go ahead and do that. So this is about a cup. That was about a cup of onions, about 3 cups of potatoes, about a cup of cherry tomatoes. And now what we need is we need to get our fresh garlic. I like to use fresh garlic cloves. So just take them, and I cut the ends off. And then you just take your the knife, just your chef's knife, and then just flat and just push it down like that. And just go ahead and put it in the bowl. It's okay to leave all the shells on. We'll dig those out after it bakes. The shells help protect the garlic from getting too brown in the oven. Okay, perfect. Now that I got my garlic in there, we're gonna go ahead and take our kosher salt, or you can use normal iodized table salt, or whatever you want to use, Himalayan salt. And I'm just gonna go ahead and get some salt in there nice right now. We're gonna add a little bit after as well. And then we're gonna take some extra virgin olive oil and just go ahead and give it a nice coating of olive oil. That was a couple tablespoons. Some pepper. About 1/2 teaspoon. And then I like an extra garlic flavor, so I'm gonna do garlic powder. This is optional. You do not have to add the garlic powder if you don't want. And then for good measure, a little bit more kosher salt. And then just come in here with your hands, make sure they're clean, and just make sure everything's all nice and coated. Or just go ahead and use a spoon if you want. I'll just grab a nice pan. I'm just using this sheet pan. You can use a roasting pan, depending on how much you're gonna do. I'm not using my big roasting pan this time. And then you just wanna spread out everything so it's one layered. And now it's ready to go. And we're gonna bake this at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And we will bake it for about 15 minutes. And then after 15 minutes, we're gonna turn the heat down to 375 and bake it for about 40 to 45 minutes. So about an hour total, it will be baking. And then halfway through, probably about the 25, 30 minute mark, we're going to move everything around so make sure it bakes evenly. All right, the Provencal potatoes are done. Roasted potatoes wound up being just about an hour long total. One thing that I wanted to mention, if you don't like having to clean your pan, because the onions and garlic and they are going to caramelize, and so you'll get these black stains on your pan. So you might want to cover the pan with foil. Totally up to you, depending on how much you like to clean your pans. Sometimes it's a pain. So I'm gonna just let this cool for a little bit. The cool thing about these potatoes is they are really good warm or cold. There you go. That's how you make my favorite roasted potatoes dish. Really, really easy to do, simple ingredients. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions or comments, put them down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Also down below you'll find links to my other social media accounts and my other YouTube channel in case you want to check those out. Take care. Time for me to dive into this. Oh yeah. Grab a little potato.